talking to yourself? Yeah? What's up? Hi, happy baby. Whoop. All right, let's get you out of here.
Splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? I know, you haven't pooped in a day. You are overdue to poop. You standing up? Careful. Almost there. Got one foot. Hi, silly goose. Okay, so this morning I am showing you our daily routine. So the first thing we do in the morning is we do Roland's nebulizer, which he does every single morning and every single night. I'm just gonna get your nebulizer ready real quick, okay? Is that a camera? Is that interesting? Is that yummy? Okay. Oh, there's like chunks of strawberry in this. That's cool. It's okay, here you go. Oh, yummy. It's so yummy. Yeah. Yummy. It's right here. So after we do our morning routine of nebulizer, purees, and then bottle, usually I will play with Roland a little bit and then put him down for a nap. Today was a little different because it's St. Patrick's Day and I really wanted corned beef and cabbage for dinner. So Roland and I, instead of playing, we went to Albertsons to get some corned beef and cabbage, but they were all out. So it was a waste of time. And then we got back, Roland was put down, but he's still awake. And then normally during his first nap, I try to make that me time. But on the days when I decide to do an outing, I usually use this first nap to prepare for the outing. So Today I am going to be washing bottles and just getting everything ready for our outing. We're gonna go to Redondo Beach and have some fun that way. To get out of the door quicker, I usually have a bunch of stuff in a box like this, just already stashed away in my car, just to make getting out of the house quicker. Today is going to be a little slower because I'm kind of reorganizing the box, making sure everything's clean and there's nothing dirty in there. I have some snacks for myself, and then I usually have some sort of hat for Roland. Diapers, a change of clothes, so like usually a onesie, and then some pants, wipes, and then I always like to keep a clean blanket in my car, just in case I want to let Roland hang out in a grassy area. And then what I'll do is I kind of interchangeably put things in the diaper bag versus this box, because I don't always like to bring the diaper bag with me. If I have him in the jogger, I like to put everything down in the compartment below the jogger, but my diaper bag won't fit there. So this is the diaper bag I typically use. I have two, but this one is for more active activities that I do. The other one's a little more stylish and cute that I like to use if we're going out to dinner or lunch. Because Roland does have cystic fibrosis, I'm extremely picky when it comes to things that he can touch, although I also try to be flexible, knowing that I want to make sure he's experiencing as much as he can. I just want to do it in the safest way possible. So I have on-the-go Clorox wipes. So when we're going to lunch and he is sitting at a high chair, I just wipe the high chair down with these Clorox wipes. Maybe wipe down the table because I know he'll be touching that as well. I try not to be, like, if I miss a spot, I try not to worry or anything. But Roland is at greater risk of getting bacteria that me and anybody living without cystic fibrosis has an easier time clearing from our system. So I just have to be a little more cautious than some other people with babies. I'm out of them now, but I also like to carry wet wipes. And the wet wipes are just to wipe down Roland's hands, especially if he's crawling on grass or sand, or, you know, something with a lot of germs. I also like to carry a swaddle, which I also don't have with me right now. I like to carry a sweater. I like to have some toys for him to play with. Got some sunscreen for him because I'm always outdoors with him. feel like I finally have gotten this go to the beach thing down. Last summer it was just a disaster, but I will show you how I set up. Is that a crab that I brought?
Are you chewing it? You're eating it. I'm eating your crab.
Hi!
What do you got?
Well, he's just holding it in his mouth.
Are you a puppy dog? Are you a puppy dog?
Okay, so we have Roland here, my mom, Bryan. We were just talking about how this is much more successful than our first and second and third beach trip that we took last summer. Well, yeah, the one with Delaney when we attempted Newport. So we tried Newport Beach last year. It was an epic fail. We did Hermosa. It was windy. For Bryan's birthday, Roland wouldn't stop crying, and then we failed camping too. So.
But camping, we had a good beach day.
We did have a good beach day camping. Roland. He is so cute. Look at this cute outfit I got on him.
I love that outfit.
Roland.
You got wheels on your shirt.
Go horse! Oh, did you hear the horse coming?
Roland. Hi.
Oh, chewy! So chewy!
Okay.
Roland! Roland! Hi!
He's like, yeah, I don't care. So I am here at Redondo Pier, which is one of my favorite places in Redondo. Maybe not my favorite, but a fun place to go. we just got back from a walk so Roland could nap, and I did my 2-mile run. And now we are warming up Roland's bottle. Hi, Roland. Are you outside of your tent?